Hey everybody, I am going to make a video about the immune system, and I'm going to be talking about non-specific and specific defenses. And our immune system is the definition of immune system or immunity is it defends against foreign agents. Um, it's made out of two different parts, non-specific defenses and specific defenses. I'm going to go over both of them. Non-specific defenses is also called innate immunity. So non-specific is also called innate immunity. One of the processes, or maybe not processes, but one of the, I don't even know what to call it. Basically, there are 6 different types of non-specific defenses, and this is one of them. One of them is physical barriers. Physical barriers are skin, hair, teeth, nails. Physical barriers are basically anything you can touch on your body. Number 2, chemical barriers. Chemical barriers are sweat, oils, tears, mucus, saliva, blood, urine, basically stuff like that is chemical barriers. Uh, Number 3 is phagocytosis, and if you take phago, which means eat, and cytosis, which is cell, it means eat cell. And the definition of phagocytosis is white blood cells that eat bacteria. So that's where you get the wording and the definition. You also have number 4, natural killer cells, which recognize and destroy abnormal cell membrane. So that is the natural killer cells. Recognize and destroy abnormal cell membrane. Number 5 is fever. Fever is response to phagocytosis. So fever responds to phagocytosis. You got the last one, number 6, interferons, which stop viral replication. Interferons stop viral replication. Now we're gonna talk about some specific defenses. Another name for specific defenses is acquired immunity. Now, specific defenses affects only one antigen. And there's 4 different types of specific defenses. We'll go over them now. Number 1 is natural immunity. Natural immunity is when you're exposed to immunity. So natural immunity is when you're exposed to immunity. We also have number 2, artificial immunity, which are vaccines. So artificial immunity is vaccines. For example, would be a flu shot, HIV shot, a booster shot, chickenpox shot, MMR shot. Number 3 is humoral, and humoral is B cells, and the B stands for bone marrow. So B cells, they're also called immunoglobulin, gamma globulin, and gamma protein are also other names for B cells or humoral. The last one, number 4, is cell mediated. Cell mediated. There are T cells. The T stands for thymus. So T cells, thymus, they are also referred to as activated lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, and their function is to respond to B cells and cascade the foreign agent. So basically what I just talked about is about immunity, the non-specific defenses and the specific defenses. And basically I did this because I'm going to use this as a study guide, because I wrote down notes, which is a good way to memorize stuff, and also saying stuff is a good way to memorize it. So decided, why not let's just make a video, say what's on my notes. Hopefully some of it will click. Maybe it can even help somebody who goes on YouTube and it's like, oh, I need to learn about immune system. And I keep saying the word immunity because I can think of the word survivor and immunity, but that's neither here or there. But yeah, those are non-specific defenses, specific defenses, examples of non-specific and specific defenses, and what they do. Thanks.